Belle? Are you happy here with me?
Yes.
What is it?
If only I could see my father again. Just for a moment. I miss him so much.
There is a way. This mirror will show you anything. Anything you wish to see.
I'd like to see my father, please. Papa! No. He's sick. He may be dying, and he's all alone.
Then, you must go to him.
What did you say?
I release you. You're no longer my prisoner.
You mean I'm free?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Hold on, Papa. I'm on my way.
Take it with you, so you'll always have a way to look back and remember me.
Thank you for understanding how much he needs me.
Well, Your Highness, I must say everything is going just swimmingly. I knew you had it in you.
I let her go.
Yes, yes. Splendid. You... What? How could you do that?
I had to.
Yes, but why?
Because I love her.
He did what?
Yes, I'm afraid it's true.
She's going away?
But he was so close.
After all this time, he's finally learned to love.
That's it then. That should break the spell.
But it's not enough. She has to love him in return.
Now it's too late.
They're back.